Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Hope you enjoyed my last video on chicken patties. Today I'm gonna make a video on fish cutlets. It's just a simple and easy recipe using any fish of your choice, but this is a goan style of fish cutlets and mostly we use mackerels for this recipe. So let's get started. I have here 4 mackerels. So let's start with cleaning the mackerels. That's the first step of preparing the fish cutlet. Make sure you clean the mackerels properly and rinse them up with a lot of tap water and set aside. Now take in a pan and add the mackerels into the pan. Add some water, along with that goes in the salt and some turmeric powder. Give the mackerels a quick toss, just turn them around so that the salt and turmeric gets mixed with the water. Cover and cook the mackerels on a medium flame. After 5 minutes, just turn the mackerels onto the other side. Do not allow them to burn and allow the water to dry down completely. While the mackerels are boiling, let's start preparing the remaining ingredients for the fish cutlets. Start with chopping 1 large onion or 2 small onions, 2 tomatoes, coriander, green chilies. All of these have to be finely chopped. Along with it, you need the salt, 1 egg, a tablespoon of vinegar, and finally some semolina to coat the fish cutlets. Once the water has dried up, turn off the flame and allow the mackerels to cool down completely. Now take in a bowl and start separating the meat from the bones. Continue the same process until all of the meat is separated from the bones. The next step is to mash the mackerels with your hands. Remove any bones you find in between and set aside. Add in the finely chopped onion along with the finely chopped tomatoes, green chilies, coriander, and a tablespoon of vinegar. Combine all of the ingredients together. Now add in the salt as per your taste, followed by 1 egg and mix well. So take a handful of the mixture and roll it with your hands. Make it into a shape of a ball and pat it with your other hand. Take in the semolina and crumb coat the fish cutlet and set aside. I'm just gonna show you another one. So take in the handful of the mixture, roll it into a shape of a ball. Form it into a patty shape using your other hand and crumb coat it using the semolina. These are the fish cutlets that are ready to be fried. Take in a pan and turn it on to a medium flame. Add 4 tablespoons of oil or as per the requirement. And once the oil is heated, add in the fish cutlets one by one and cook them on a medium flame for about 4 minutes on each side. So that will be a total of 8 to 10 minutes. After 4 minutes, flip over the cutlets onto the other side and let it cook for another 4 minutes. Once fried, take them out of the pan and let them cool for a while, and you can serve them with the choice of your sauce. Thank you for watching. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe for more upcoming recipes.